In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix the left control key is not working in your Windows 11 keyboard. Okay, so without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to navigate to the start. Okay, click on it. Go with your power menu options and restart your computer. Yes, you need to restart your computer because in some instances, once you will restart your computer, you will be able to fix the problem. Once you have relaunched your Windows again, try to check if the left control key is not working. However, if not, then let's move on to the second method. Okay, so the second method would be here at the start again, make a right click, scroll up and click on Device Manager. Here at the Device Manager, you'll get to see the list of drivers that are very important in your computer. Here, you need to locate for the keyboards. So once you have find the keyboards, you need to click on this forward arrow key and there you can see the keyboard driver. Please make a right click and click on Update Driver. Now this will up you to choose two options. Please proceed first with search automatically for drivers. And if your computer says or it has been determined that the best drivers for this device is already installed, you need to proceed with search for updated drivers on Windows Update and your computer will search for updated drivers. Once you've seen it, just install it in your PC and check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to proceed again to the device manager. This time, click on the keyboard, make a right click, click on update driver, and you need to choose for browse my computer for drivers manually. So there you can see, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click on that one. The moment you click on it, you'll be able to see your keyboard driver. Please click on next to update it or to reinstall it in your PC. In that way, you'll be able to fix the problem. Once you're good, restart your computer and your problem will be fixed. Okay. So the last solution that you can do is that you need to uninstall your keyboard driver. Now before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. Now the third and last solution that you can do is that here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Device Manager. Here at the Device Manager, you need to proceed with the keyboard drivers again. So click on the keyboard drivers. Okay. So click on this forward arrow. There you can see your keyboard driver. Make a right click and click on uninstall device and go with uninstall. You might wonder, you might think that the moment you will click on uninstall, you can no longer use your keyboard. You can use that. You can still use that. It's just that you will only reinstall that because the moment you click on uninstall, just have to restart your computer and the moment you relaunch it again, you will be able to reinstall your keyboard driver again. And that way you'll be able to fix the problem. Okay, so those are the simple solutions on how to fix your left control key is not working in your Windows 11. If one of the steps had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.